Chama wa top be ake.
It's very.
O wa mi baba wa top be. Odege tanu mure wan. Ou vient gbeji my brother. Ou vient o wa gbeji a step you take.
Always when you ya when I'm massive. When you ya when I'm massive at any time, no ya win every day. All these people ya take. Like to this next been of Balibaya Moya for Nigeria 5 years now you get better like we go. You know when I'm massive. If I do need to go, ube talatia.
Thank you, Sister Juliet. Tell me, I take a worry, sir. O ma understand. I hear when Nigeria, your man, anything now, waro. O what time? What say? I am no phone, my dear brother.
I am no phone now.
Nigeria, I hear what my easy, but only here, all my paper. Email what you tell my dear sister Meto. Me I have the opportunity why because when they were born our dinner as far where o waro e ti agbe e ti mo ti agba ti yan ya security nothing
I mean the car one day na omo gwa be do bo wa na wi
e ti agbe ije me e ti agbe e we me bi wetin yan ga so at least e mi na ro ni me to bi me ya they no ro they we but they no re man
what you you are worried as they hot. I go to talk it.
You understand? As far when me be where or one of to hear you guys expect when me be where multi agbatin ya do accident or you do as you see any rock. So thank God. Glory be to God. Where you are one here, when me be where Opaga home or no panorama de okay or obi e to sunu da pa. As far when you rock so when you they are okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, what they okay. So on your family, what beg glory be to God. So no.
No. The way at all.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Because someone make it over the like working. So let me beg anything with Annie.
What
not see any, I don't see anything.
Social media, wow, very on again or Tagata. Wahala down now, you go. Wawa, live normal life, where we are living.
Okay, Wayako, your Mr. Aki, you don't need any support. Just let Mama know.
No, we'll be here. What because am I not where?
Nigeria ban amenata mwe pake lao wejo wa ukweni lao.
For sure.
So one need to go wa be kiae. Wala wa di go po no. I take it down. Every man in my yayo.
You have done well for yourself. If you need help, just let us know. I just say.
We go to area in the face.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Ake. One thing, a contribution here. One thing where people don't understand, say Nigeria is better than Euro country. Nigeria, you know, Nigeria, a country like America, Nigeria with the world, or America, Canada, Brazil. Because key thing be money, Maduajina, Emani can 1 million with 5 million with $1 with boy, I 20 million, 7 woman say. Nigeria is a country where our business, Bambana will spring up in there.
Thank you.
Nigeria, what they could say 1 million, who is 3 million that the same day. So Nigeria is better. Our way bona can you go na kwa you ba be ga me ayaze. Na fi be on the road. When I tell we business in Nigeria, you become a millionaire. So only me no working. I go my work. I forget social media. I'm not going to donate nonsense money. I donate. You get boy, I donate no more. Face your life. I 1 million
Mr.
in the
Man, don't
West
say
in
that.
Nigeria.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
Let me talk you. Let me
Don't say
talk you.
that.
Oh, worry, man, I can. Why they
Don't say that. Shut up your mouth. Do no, do no.
1 million.
Don't say that.
1 million
You
in the
are
West.
saying rubbish.
Yes, yes,
You are
business.
saying
Yes,
rubbish.
business.
Do no, do no.
You will
Don't say
get your
that.
life. You
Thank you. If you want to help somebody, help them from your mind.
information you
Don't
have
say that.
information.
Well, man, the social media,
You can take visa to
donate 1
Brazil.
million for
You
Mr.
can take visa to Brazil. We are the good.
Give my if I donate 1 million, Mr.
I'll give you connection. If you need connections, this one on my platform.
Okay, man,
You
the
need
social
connections.
media
You
that
have to
say
contact me.
this thing.
He contact you. Where to
The man
Brazil,
who
you
1
can
million
be
is
millionaire.
no, the man
All
talk
those,
rubbish,
Hey, when I was
rubbish.
Release money, donate.
Let's give him 1 million now. No, let's give him 1 million.
Any small thing, donate. Are you donate? Donate. You guy a big guy. Business. Well, business
Shut up your mouth. You don't know how to talk. You don't know how to talk. Shut up. You don't know how to talk.
Read yourself. Only you know so they talk. Now they want to look information. Just do business, bro.
You want look information. You look me like social media.
My brother not be like that. Say maybe do business. Fine, say you want to do business. Even though say get the money to do business, then I go Jonah.
Man, this one about
This
one on my name. I don't get to this one on my name, bro. If you don't like me, write me a note.
We're talking donating 9K.
Oh, that's what I want to talk my own.
Must to punish your money.
Exactly.
Punish your money. Punish your money. Nigeria. No celebrate your money. Your back in Nigeria. What's on the talk?
Type of business where you know where they give money. When you introduce her to her, don't be
No, good morning. Not be talking. Maybe you donate 1 million now. More give her.
donate the talk. Not be donate the talk. How many people they donate to?
Me want give her 1 million now. Make sure you 1 million. Because they give person wrong.
In the man they have one area ya go.
They give wrong.
Drop it, man.
Carry me down. I don't get that. Carry me down.
Not for here. You talk nonsense.
How many people don't donate for me? But I wish to donate.
Exactly.
Me I don't believe all this stuff now. You don't do that. I didn't come down. I don't understand. And I may not believe all these things. Bros, I beg now. I'm not talking though. I don't understand.
We encourage them. At this point, you don't need a fight or we'll call the
Esther Juliet, I will join the so. As far as we are okay, here come nothing, we don't put up my
Wamutia. Bros, okay, good morning, sir.
I greet you.
Madam Olaloke.
Oh.
You know, if a prank in a Henshaw because my mother all this.
It's a long story. When we were a team, we married and I'm understanding now. So any yata like
even I was even defending you in many platforms then where you know, so now you know. I don't understand.
The man of 18 maybe I'm gonna bring me out to where. Because I say mine of nobody mark going was here. Or my phone. My phone with from if I'm not really married, so on we. If I'm when because the contract line.
Waiting 6 months now. Where you are in?
Okay, no. I don't believe.
When my way back, No,
I don't believe. You know why?
Mama, you don't know where. Or maybe I go. Me
I call you where. Ah, this one me I not believe.
Yours a problem here, but I just want to open up. Understand?
Yeah,
we were sending about a dinner. Oh,
may I send a good by me I drop it.
Almost a day, any encouragement, advice, you know what we need. Oh, I'm a for now. And no ya we are we poeting with tutor with Puwa.